This is the first time in 16 years I've actually had first off staff or even anyone else to like rap with about a case.
Yeah.
You know, you're prepping child rape cases or murder, like double murder cases by yourself between seeing people, and you're going through the discovery, and you're trying to think of, you know, objections to, you know, hearsay, and like, how are you going to, is it going to be possible to get this piece of information in, or do I need to do a subpoena ducis tecum and do a subpoena for the records and get some, you know, it becomes so difficult.
Well, there's a cheat code to this, which is you marry a senior trial attorney, and then you can ask her all the dumb questions whenever you want.
All right. Well, I need to work on that one.
Yeah.
I need to work on that one. What?
I've tried to submit some of our dates for CLE. None have been granted. It's crazy.
For what? What are you talking about?
That's a bad joke.
Oh.
Continuing legal education.
Oh, yeah. Well, yeah. Everyone, we have to do 12 hours of continuing legal education every year. 4 have to be live. 2 of them have to be ethics. What's any? Can you think of any crazy stories from the court? What's Come on, let's hear a good Tom Barbour crazy resolution for bad circumstances, or just a miss. Sometimes I like to tell the prosecutor, you know, if you get them to chuckle just a little bit, you get them to like thaw out a little bit. Like, I was like, this is just a misunderstanding, you know. Right. My client is a bit of a chucklehead, you know. I got a reckless driving a couple of years ago, and Bill Dinkin represented me, and I was not super happy when I got pulled over. I'll tell you. What. And I'm normally pretty calm under pressure, but didn't believe I ought to have been pulled over, and I was a little frustrated.
You violated the polite and cooperative rule.
I did not violate it. I just towed it a little bit.
Okay.
I did tell the officer that I thought, because he had to go around a school bus, so the school bus was stopped before the intersection, like well before.
Yeah.
And I took a left turn in front of it. I thought like maybe 20 or 30 feet in front of it, far away from the school bus, to avoid the mile of traffic that was behind the school bus. And I might have been late for court too. All these things led to my decision making. And I think the officer literally went around the school bus to pull me. He created, it's in my mind, a far more dangerous circumstance to catch me than anything that I had. I creeped at 1 mile an hour to go left, and you know, it just.
I'm sure he appreciated that argument on scene, Charlie. Yeah.
He did not, in fact.
Right.
But Bill Dinkin walked in, and I heard him because I was still heated when I got into court. It's so funny how they get you. You know, I'm trying to be less like that anymore. But I heard him talk to the prosecutor or the officer. He said, when my client stopped acting like a defense attorney, he was polite and cooperative. Right? It was so funny.